Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the Johnson Show. Today, I'm making some custom badges. I found out about these 100 yen custom badge making sets and I wanted to try them out. Recently, SPYxFAMILY has been super popular among the students. So I thought, why not make some badges as prizes? Without further ado, here we go. There's nothing really special in regards to the design of these badges. I'll probably just be speeding this through at like maybe 20 times speed. Once again, I make all of this live, so please tune in if you want to learn or if you want to talk to me, tune in and yeah, we can kick it. So now that I have the design done, let's get to actually making the badges. The DIY custom kit costs 100 yen and you can only get them from Can-Do, which is one of Japan's 100 yen stores. You can't get this from Syria or Daiso. First, you put a sticky seal over your artwork. I've opted for the hologram version, which is another 100 yen for 4 sheets. Then cut the artwork out as a circle. This is a trick which I found made my life much easier. Add a little double-sided tape on your artwork so it won't move around when you push the badge into the rubber mold. After pushing the artwork piece of your badge through, use the yellow plastic piece to help you make sure everything is nice and tight. Finally, stamp the back piece of your badge into place. And that's it. They actually came out amazing, if I may say so myself. I made the rest of these badges live on stream too, so check that out if you are interested. Anyways, that's all for today. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see next. Peace. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe.